Time for another stock review. This time, RZLV, Rezolve AI. We're talking AI, we're talking bots. We're going down the NVIDIA lane today, reaching out. Yes. And we are touching and we're putting our hands on a bit of AI. There we go. Look at the chart, take some money, rack it all up, stack it all up. There you go. And then what we'll do is we'll go on the shortboard and we'll make decisions based upon fundamental principles, and we'll decide whether we can make money from this stock. Shall we do it? I'm in my suit today because we were at the Oscars today.
Jerry and Elba donated $5 through a super chat. This is for a song for Alex to get a song for his birthday on Friday. You decide what you want to sing for him.
Well, if it's his birthday, I'll sing him happy birthday. How about that? That was easy. All right, that was easy. Oh, someone said there was an echo a minute ago. No, there's no echo. Tell me there's no echo. Well, we got all system issues at the minute. We're going to sort it out. Don't worry about that. So let's get straight into it. There was an echo for a moment. Oh, I hope it didn't ruin the video. Hopefully it didn't. Anyway, tap the like button and consider subscribing. There you go. We might have a few technical issues because everything's been upgraded and it's thrown me under a bus. All right. Okay, let's have a look at it. We're going to talk about Rezolve, and in this review, I'm going to show you a few things. I'm going to show you. I'm just checking my audios. Okay, here's the website. Harness conversational AI to transform the customer experience. Okay, an AI play. We're going to look at the latest news around the stock. I'm going to read this to you. Rezolve AI to acquire group buy, and Rezolve AI unveils 1 billion Bitcoin treasury. That's interesting. And we're going to show you the ratings as well. And I think we've got a back test as well. Have we got a back test? Yes, we have a back test. Oh, that doesn't look very good. All of that is coming up in this review. Shall we get straight to it? Okay, let's get to it. Tap the like button if you like this so far and consider subscribing, and welcome to our next review. No echo. You're just playing silly buggers. All right, thank you ever so much, Vaz, for ruining my video. It's made live during a show. What can I say? What is Rezolve? Well, if we pan out, you can see it's quite a recent stock. It's a penny stock. Anything under $5 is a penny stock. It listed 2024. We have got no time to look at this at all, only a year. And as you can see, it's gone straight down the toilet. But it's been a very, very tough time. But mind you, this was a boom time for AI, and yet we're going down. So it's not looking good from a chart perspective, but let's go and read about it. Let's learn a bit about it, shall we? Rezolve AI Ltd operates in the middle commerce industry with its cutting-edge engagement platform powered by artificial intelligence. That's the magic word we look for, and machine learning. It develops AI-based mobile commerce and engagement solutions, simplifying the purchasing process by providing relevant information and facilitating seamless transactions with a single tap. The company enables retailers, brands, and manufacturers to create dynamic connections with consumers across mobile and desktop devices. Rezolve AI was founded in 2016 and is headquartered in London. There you go. Now then, Daniel Wagner is the CEO. Wow, that's a small company. 2 employees, $4 million market cap. Hello. I can buy the whole lot of this. This is very exciting. Well, if you'd like Daniel Morris Wagner to come on the show, if you are an investor, I strongly recommend you email investor relations, tell them you're an investor. Only 2 employees, should be easy to get them on the phone, and say that Martyn Lucas, who's got 74,000, soon 75,000 subscribers, will guarantee to rank #1 on YouTube and Google. More people will learn about this, and a $4 million stock in the AI sector. Oh, we can pop that one. No problem at all. We could draw attention. Full disclosure, I only own the S&P. I just want to see you do well. I'm not here to pump and dump a stock, but I'd love you all to do well. Message them. Let them know. and build a relationship with them. Very easy. Email them. And when you've done so, put them in touch with me and let's get them on the show. But do it all through you until you've got it confirmed that they want to do it. That's the best way. I never cold call anyone. Market cap. Market cap's 544 million, not 4 million. I beg your pardon. I was looking at the average volume. I thought, blimey. 544 million. Still just two people, though. Got that right. PE ratio, negative $4.18, losing money. This is not costing him, this is not an expense for the stock. It's a loss for the stock. It's negative. Okay. So it's not cheap when it's losing money. It's not making any money. So you're paying for the privilege of owning it. We've got no information on earnings, so we can't report there. Who else is buying the stock? No surprise. Big Bear, Soundtown, all the favorites that we have on Robinhood. Arch Aviation, Vaz will like that one. Apple Digital, Supermicro, Quantum, SI. So some good, some bad, some more. SoFi we don't like. We like the stock, but we don't like the CEO. A lot of C3 AI, a lot of volatility stocks there, a lot of risky plays, a lot of gamblers. The sort of people that invest in these stocks are the sort of gamblers you've got to be careful of. Right. So it's looking a bit of a dodgy stock straight away. But let's go and have a closer look at the company and see what it does, because we need to understand what we're buying. So let's go over here, take a bit of a look. There you go. I've sorted out the echo. Sorry about that earlier. Harness conversational AI to transform the customer experience. Humanize your digital commerce. Let me go over here a minute. I'm on the wrong screen. I want to share this with you. Humanize your digital commerce with an AI suite designed to inspire, convert, and deliver exceptional service, driving revenue growth. Shall we learn more? We'll learn more. Let's learn more. That's just a contact file. Rezolve AI to present at 37th Annual Roth Conference, March 16th to 18th. That's coming up next week. We could maybe cover that if there's anything to say.
Brain Checkout is a fast checkout technology that not only allows one-click checkout on the internet, but also allows our customers to engage with their customers wherever those customers may be, whether they're standing in the street or watching TV. And Brain Assistant provides the end of that journey when the customer wants to engage with the merchant, find out more about returns, find out more about additional products and services. It's a kind of aftercare, after-service function, but it provides that kind of engagement using natural language. And all of this is delivered in over 95 different languages. Now, we deliver this technology as a software as a service solution, meaning that we provide it from the internet itself in a cloud-based architecture. And we also sell it through business to business, ultimately to the consumer. So we use distribution partners to help us reach a large volume of merchants. We charge our customers a fixed monthly fee, and we vary that monthly fee from year to year as we review their activity. And this is a very traditional enterprise SaaS sales pricing model. And our USP is that we provide Gen AI, or conversational technology, modern artificial intelligence technology, in a productized way. Many of our competitors provide a language model into the market, but they require their customers to build on those language models. This is not an easy task. Language models are complex. You need very great levels of skills and capabilities in artificial intelligence to leverage them properly.
I'm going to leave that right there. That's enough. I just wanted to share some of that with you. Apologies for the unperfect audio. We are having issues today because all our systems have upgraded. But that was very interesting. Thank you very much for sending me that in. I really like that. That was good. Very well spoken, by the way. Very good. Now, I've got some news for you, and then I'm going to show you how the stock's performing. Unfortunately, because it's so new, we have no data on the company balance sheets, profit and losses. We can't give a full review of this stock. It's too new. No accounts have been done. No earnings have been done. We do not have it. We'd like to get that information. Frederick, who asked for this stock, I believe, if you contact the company through investor relations, I'm sure we can get them on the show and learn more. But this is so new, we don't have enough information to do a full review of this stock. But Rezolve AI secures 30 million loan to drive growth, accelerate momentum. Rezolve has announced the successful arrangement of a 30 million unsecured loan facility with Joe Berenberg, Gosler and Co. The company believe that this is a strategic funding underscores the considerable momentum in Rezolve AI's business and reinforces the confidence of blue chip financial partners in the company's vision and execution. In a deliberate decision to preserve shareholder value, Rezolve AI's board of directors opted for this loan facility over convertible debt or equity financing. As a result, the board believes this loan is an attractive solution to support the company's growth demands without diluting existing shareholders. We do like that, especially the fact it's down so low. I'm sorry I can't give you much as I'd like on this stock, but it is what it is. We've got other information here. In fact, that was a while ago. Rezolve AI to acquire Group Buy. That was a while ago. So we're not going to focus too much on that story. Let's come back to this one. Rezolve, this is just 2 weeks ago. Rezolve AI unveils 1 billion Bitcoin treasury to support launch of crypto payment platform. Okay, let's have a look at this. Rezolve AI is rolling out 1 billion of Bitcoin treasury program with an initial 100 million investment to directly support the commercialization of its to be launched AI-driven crypto payment platform. Interesting, they've used Bitcoin. Wouldn't you think they would use XRP for that? That's a very interesting story. Anyway, developed in collaboration with stablecoin issuer Tether. That's interesting. The UK-based provider of AI-powered commerce solutions entered into securities purchase agreement to issue up to 1 billion in convertible notes with initial 100 million allocated for Bitcoin purchases through a newly established subsidiary. It said in a follow-up statement on Tuesday, additional closings of up to 900 million may follow over the next 3 years. That's very interesting bit of information. Now, let's have a look at some numbers. We've got very little. Quant was very, very unemotional. They're just looking at numbers. There are no numbers, so it's a strong sell. That's what Quant was built to do. It's just showing you the numbers. There are no numbers. There is no information. So it's a strong sell. But Wall Street, who are more, sort of forward thinking and a bit of hopery, as well as Seeking Alpha analysts because of their obviously own interest. I refuse to do Seeking Alpha analysis, even though I could, because I get paid to do it, and you wouldn't take it as read. It's why I don't do it. They're saying strong buy and buy, but the valuation is C. Down from B minus down to C minus, F, VAT profitability, F, momentum, F, revision C plus from nothing. Very limited information on this one. It's very, very difficult to see what we've actually got. No forward PE, short interest 1.54, not really much at this level, so we're not worried about that. But as you can see, it's hard to come to any real structure on this company from where we stand today. I can give you what AI thinks of this. Let me have a little look at this. Strong sell from Quant. We know what the company does. We're not going to read that again. What about the competitors and unique value? That's important. Rezolve AI faces competition from other companies offering AI solutions tailored to specific market verticals. Constellation, Salesforce, Upstart. These companies are all in the same space. Rezolve AI's unique value proposition lies in its specialized focus on the retail sector with its proprietary brain power LLM designed to optimize retail processes and enhance customer engagement. Its strategic partnerships with Microsoft and Google Cloud provide substantial global distribution capabilities and market support, setting the company apart in the rapidly growing conversational commerce market. Okay, we know about the revisions. If we look at this valuation, the metrics such as price sales, EV sales are significantly higher than the sector median. Growth, the company displays concerning growth figures, particularly with year-on-year capex growth decline of 52%, vastly underperforming the sector. Profitability metrics are severely lacking, with a return of total assets down 664%. Momentum is extremely negative, with a one-year price performance decline, and revisions, the absence of upward revisions and presence of downward revisions further highlight analysts' pessimistic outlook on Rezolve's future earnings potential. Okay, positives. Positive AI partnerships, Microsoft Cloud. We talked about that already. In Google Cloud, enhance its market reach and potential for significant revenue growth through global distribution initiatives. The company's focus on rapidly expanding conversational commerce market, valued at $7.6 billion and projected to reach $34 billion by 2034, represents substantial upside potential. Everything else there we don't need. That's what analysts say on Seeking Alpha. We don't take any of that, so we're not bothered about that. Okay, let me give you my final thoughts on this then. My final thoughts on this has to be lack of information. We cannot say. Just because it's in the AI space does not mean it's a good idea. It's got competition. We don't know its full financial structure at the moment. I've not been able to gather that information. So listen, if you want to buy AI, for me, it's a no-brainer. It always has been. Buy NVIDIA or through the S&P 500 is the best way. This is a startup. This is new. It could be great, but we have to see where it's going. At this level, it's an all-out gamble. It has competition. It's not performing well to the competition at the moment. This could fail. It's a bit sexy in rock and roll because obviously it's AI and people, do get drawn to it, particularly because of the price. It will pull people in. But again, I'm not a gambler. I consistently make profits, 22 trades, 22 wins. I'm doubling down on the S&P. I'm going to become a millionaire live on the show. I don't need to risk this. For me, it's not the way forward. If we look at the overall, if we look at today, of course, it looks attractive and you could have made yourself 25% today. But again, this stock can go up as fast as it goes down. If you want to trade it, yes, I would strongly recommend you join Sensei on a Sunday. He will give you a chart for this and he'll find you the levels where you could trade this. If you are a member, he'll do that for you for free. If you are a member, join Sensei on Sunday. So there's my thoughts on it. It's a good sector. We like the sector. We don't know enough about it. Because we don't know enough about it, and there are other things in the sector which are outperforming this, why risk it until you know more about it? But if you want to trade it, certainly 25% today, you'd be very, very happy. That's 2.5 times what you get in a year on the S&P. Of course, you're going to be interested in that. But you need to do that. You need to know where and so on and so forth. And for that, join Sensei on Sunday. Click above my head for all the links down below in the description. Over here and over here, I shall put a Rezolve playlist. I'll create a brand new one. And down here, I shall put the Alpha Spread playlist with probably 300 stocks I've reviewed in there. Okay, until next time, as always, take care of yourselves and each other.